In an eye-opening indication of the impact Winter Storm Elliott had on the natural gas market, the U.S. Energy Information Administration on Thursday reported a stunning 213 billion cubic feet withdrawal from storage for the week ending December 23. A larger-than-expected EIA storage withdrawal is not expected to turn the market around, but it could stabilize natural gas prices. This is because the 15-day weather forecast is bearish. The key story is not expected to be the inventory data, but rather the updated forecasts calling for unusually mild temperatures during the first 10 days of January. Warmer than normal conditions will rule the southern and eastern halves of the U.S. with highs of 40s to 60s across the Great Lakes and Northeast and with very nice 60s to lower 80s over the southern U.S. The West will be near seasonal. Overall, very low national demand going forward. Today's EIA weekly storage report printed a draw of minus 213 billion cubic feet, larger than market expectations near minus 202 billion and much larger than the 5-year average draw of minus 106 billion cubic feet. The draw decreased supplies from 3,325 to 3,112 billion cubic feet and flipped surpluses of plus 22 billion to deficits of minus 85 billion cubic feet. Next week's EIA report will bring another much larger than normal draw due to Arctic air over the U.S. last weekend, thereby increasing deficits to over minus 200 billion cubic feet. However, a very warm U.S. pattern over the next 15 days will rapidly improve them back towards 5-year averages. Despite the bullish EIA data, forecasts for record warmth in the first half of January proved too much to overcome. With the early predictions of a warmish January, we'll need some good cold in February to pull down inventories. You know the sentiment is bad when the EIA reports a minus 213 billion cubic feet natural gas storage withdrawal, 18 billion larger than my projection and 107 billion cubic feet bullish versus the 5-year average, and prices are still down 3%. This was a really bullish draw, but investors remain focused on the early January warmth.